The Winnipeg housing market has been strong since the start of the year. And while COVID-19 has impacted the market, the strong trajectory is expected to continue throughout the spring for this year. With that said, today's video is going to list the best neighborhoods in Winnipeg to buy a house for last year's 2020. The most livable neighborhoods in Winnipeg are all going to be close to proximity to green spaces, parks, retail shops, and transit. They boast lots of livability factors that appeal to home buyers looking in those neighborhoods. So without further ado, here's the list for the top 10 livable neighborhoods for Winnipeg for last year's 2020. Number 1, River Heights. Number 2, Norwood Flats. Number 3, Osborne Village. Number 4, Fraser's Grove. Number 5, Scotia Heights. Number 6, Wolseley. Number 7, Riverview. Number 8, Old St. Vital. Number 9, Crescentwood. And number 10, the West End. These were the areas that best illustrated livability factors that appealed to the home buyers looking for ideal neighborhoods. This information was collected, gathered, and shared by local real estate brokerages here in Winnipeg as well. Livability in Winnipeg is expected to continue to improve. Our developers in the region know that Winnipeg residents, like many other Canadians, enjoy their neighborhoods, so they keep this perspective in mind when building and planning. So gone are the days where neighborhoods have the bare minimum. The focus is now adding value to the properties with great neighborhood amenities. Winnipeg, being the capital city of Manitoba, boasts a diverse economy in sectors including trade, manufacturing, education, and healthcare. Often called the gateway to the West, Winnipeg is so culturally diverse with over 100 languages and nationalities represented. People are often drawn to Winnipeg because of its unique winter experiences and great livability factors, including such unique neighborhoods and access to awesome green spaces. And that, my friends, happened to be the list of the most desirable areas to buy a house in Winnipeg for 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or wanted to get into contact with my team and I, please do not hesitate to do so, as we are always honored to help with your real estate needs. That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.